is the reaction in which simultaneous oxidation and reduction will take place. Such reactions are called as redox reaction. So redox is an abbreviation used for the terms oxidation and reduction. A large number of phenomena such as respiration, rusting, combustion of fuel involves redox reaction. See, in the respiration also, the redox reaction will take place, rusting and combustion of fuel. So, we will study what is redox reaction. So, classical ideas of redox reaction 6.1.1 is omitted. So, we will move to 6.12. That is redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. Redox reaction can be described as electron transfer as shown below. First example is there, magnesium plus oxygen, it gives Mg2 plus O2 minus. Now Mg plus F2, it will give Mg2 plus 2F2 minus. Now development of charge on the species produced suggest the reaction 6.12 and 6.3 can be written as, देखो Mg शुरू में कैसे है, it is having zero charge, so it is a metallic form. लेकिन बाद में it acquire 2 plus charge, so it is forming cation, and oxygen acquiring 2 minus charge, that is anion. So there is a formation of cation and anion after losing electron and gaining electron. So that will be written in detail. So initially Mg plus O2, it is going to give Mg2 plus O2 minus. Now Mg is 0 in oxidation state initially. Now after that it is having oxidation state equal to plus 2. So here loss of electrons are there. And O2 initially it is having 0 oxidation state, but it will acquire minus 2 oxidation state. Over here it is a gain of electron. Now you must remember, when metal will lose electrons, it will acquire positive charge. अगर मेटल ने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस्ट हो गए उससे तो एक प्लस चार्ज आएगा. अगर मेटल के 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट हो गए तो उसको 2 प्लस आएगी. सेम थिंग cations will form. In the same way cations will form, and anions are also. Only difference is there, anions are accepting electrons. Suppose it will accept 1 electron, it will acquire minus 1 charge. If it will acquire 2 electrons, accepted 2 electrons, then it will give 2 minus charge. तो आपको ये पता चलना चाहिए कि कौन सा कैटायन है और कौन सा एनायन है. Okay, so that things can be written. तो देखो Mg to Mg2 plus, over here it is losing electron. Mg will give up electron and acquire positive charge, and oxygen or fluorine will accept electron, 2 electrons, and it will acquire 2 minus charge. When Mg is oxidized to MgO, the neutral Mg atom loses electron to form Mg2 plus. In Mg oxide, magnesium oxide, to give Mg oxide, that is magnesium oxide, the neutral Mg atom loses electron to form Mg2 plus. देखो after losing electron it is forming 2 plus charge. So the elemental oxygen gains electrons to form O2 minus in magnesium oxide. So oxygen will undergo reduction because it is gaining electrons. So gain of electrons will be written over here for oxygen and fluorine. तो आपको ऐसे स्क्वायर लिखना है. You will start with Mg, you will end up with Mg2 plus, and here you will write loss of electron. जहाँ पे प्लस चार्ज आता है वहाँ पे उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट होते हैं, और जहाँ पे माइनस चार्ज आता है वहाँ पे उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन होते हैं. सो each of the above steps represents a half reaction which involves electron transfer. ये दोनों रिएक्शंस कैसे है? हाफ रिएक्शंस है. सो दे विल इन्वॉल्व इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर, लॉस और गेन. Sum of these two half reactions or the overall reaction is a redox reaction. So the sum of two half reaction or the reaction which takes place at the same time, oxidation and reduction will take place. That reaction is called as redox reaction. Now consider the following half reactions. Fe in solid, it is loses 2 electron and acquiring Fe2 plus. Now copper will accept that 2 electrons and copper 2 plus will accept that electrons and it will form copper metallic. So this is first one is oxidation, second is reduction. Oxidation कैसे है? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एरो के बाद है तो ये लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, और अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एरो से पहले है तो वो गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. So Fe is undergoing oxidation and Cu2 plus is undergoing reduction. और दोनों रिएक्शन को अगर हम कंबाइन करते हैं तो दोनों टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल गेट कैंसिल बिकॉज 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड एंड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ऑन द रिएक्टेंट साइड, सो दे विल गेट कैंसिल्ड. In the half reaction, Fe act as a reducing agent whereas Cu2 plus act as oxidizing agent which accepts electrons from Fe. In the half cell, देखो Fe act as a reducing agent. जो ऑक्सीडेशन, जहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वहीं स्पीसीज उसे हम कहते हैं रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. देखो यहाँ पे आपको कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है. जो जहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन होता है दे आर कॉल्ड एज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, और जहाँ पे रिडक्शन होता है उनको कहते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कौन है? अभी जो रिडक्शन शो कर रहा है. सो Cu2 plus is oxidizing agent. So Cu2 plus act as oxidizing agent which accept electron from Fe. The half reaction involving loss of electrons is called, देखो, the half cell reaction in which it is losing electrons, they are called as oxidation reaction, and involves gain of electrons, it is called reduction reaction. So oxidation कंडक्ट होते हैं, अक्कर होते हैं, तो उसे कहते हैं रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. नाउ की पॉइंट फॉर ऑक्सीडेंट एंड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. देखो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट या फिर ऑक्सीडेंट मतलब जो सब्सटेंस रिडक्शन दिखाता है वही ऑक्सीडेंट होता है या फिर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. अ रिएजेंट सब्सटेंस विच इटसेल्फ अंडरगोज reduction and cause oxidation of another species is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. देखो, a reagent substance which itself undergoes reduction, जो खुद रिडक्शन होता है और दूसरे को कहता है कि वो तुम ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाओ, और causes oxidation of another species is called oxidant or oxidizing agent. और उसे और भी एक नाम है, दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. क्या नाम है? इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव रिडक्टेंट, reducing agent. A reagent reducing agent is defined as a substance or a reagent which itself undergo oxidation, जो खुद ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, and it is bring out about reduction of another species. वो खुद ऑक्सीडेशन में जा रहा है और दूसरे को कहता है कि तुम रिडक्शन हो जाओ, और इट इज़ कॉजिंग टू रिड्यूस ऑन अनदर स्पीसीज. अ रिडक्टेंट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर, तो उसे कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर. सो द डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कैन ऑल्सो बी लुक्ड अप एज अ redox reaction. In such a reaction, an ion or atom in a compound is replaced by an ion of an another element. देखो x है plus yz, this it is giving x plus xz plus y. The reaction is displacement reaction. Now displacement reaction means it is displacing one element by another, where yz is the compound, x is displacing y and it is forming xz. So the reaction is displacement reaction. So then we have oxidation number. Description of redox reaction in terms of electron transfer suggests involvement of only ionic species in it, but many reactions involve only covalent bonds. Also fulfill the classical definitions of oxidation and reduction. For example, 2H2 plus O2, it is going to give 2H2O. It is in liquid state. H2 plus Cl2, it is going to give 2HCl. So equation 6.17 represent oxidation of H2 act as it is a combination with oxygen. An electronegative element Cl which is added to H2, and therefore this is also represent oxidation of H2. As a product of both the reaction, these reactions are oxidation, are polar covalent molecule. So there is an example of shift in electrons rather than complete electron transfer from one species to another. Is developed to describe all the redox reaction which are either ionic involving complete electron transfer or covalent which refer to shift of electrons. In this method, the electron pair in a covalent bond is assumed to belong to more electronegative element, that it is a shift completely to more electronegative elements.